Hi guys, welcome to my blog. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Tanjabel A. Kinsai from Grade 12 Studio. For today's video, I'm gonna show you outdoor recreation which is relaxing. So let's go. And that's all about outdoor recreation. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.